My name is Kristen and I live in Cape Town, South Africa. I am a native English speaker and a certified TEFL teacher. I have been teaching for the last 4 years and I have 2 years experience in online tutoring. I also spent 2 years part-time au pairing during my 3-year diploma in animation. I love making learning fun and interesting for all ages, using props, learning materials, and games. When I'm not in the classroom, I like to spend my time cooking, reading, and spending time with my friends and family. But when I am in the classroom, we will learn English by reading, writing, and speaking. I am very excited to meet you in my Novakid classroom. Goodbye, see you soon.